Your homework was to write a Python program to sum all the items in a list. Elements should be added to the list at runtime. So, since elements are to be added at runtime, we have to give inside the print enter the elements in list. Then we can write for loop so that elements can be entered into the list. So print number of elements to be entered. Print instead of print we can write int n is equal to int bracket input enter the elements in the list. For that, for I in range in bracket n, that is we have to create the value of I should be n until n 0 to n minus 1. So then before that create an empty list. L is equal to create an empty list. I add, or we have to create an empty list. So L is equal to square bracket opening and closing, open space close. So we have created an empty list L. Now what we have to do is E, just giving a name to enter the elements. E is equal to int input, so that we can enter the elements. So E is equal to int input, then L dot append in bracket E. Now let us see what will be the output obtained. Print L. So let us give number of elements to be entered. I am giving here 4 so that I can add 4 elements. Enter the list 12, 3, 4, 56. So you can see the list is 12, 3, 4, 56. Now I have to add all the elements. So print L. Now we have to add all the elements in the list. Now to find the sum, we can initialize a variable sum equal to 0. Now we have to add each element of the list. So we can write sum equal to sum plus L in square bracket I, that is at each index of I, sorry, inside the for loop, for I in range in bracket n, then colon, then for I in range in bracket n, sum equal to sum plus L of I, print in bracket single quotes sum is comma sum. Three elements, 1 comma 2 comma 3. So the list is 1 2 3 and the sum is 6. So instead of this sum equal to sum plus I, we can write as sum plus equal to also, because this is same, sum equal to sum plus and sum plus equal to is same, that is an unary operator. So you can see three elements, 2 comma 3 2 1, that is also sum is 6. Okay, thank you children.